Daar's groeiende steun op sosiale media vir 'n plan en 'n man om Suid-Afrika reg te ruk. Pieter Groenewald vir president. Talle sosiale media gebruikers, wit en swart, meen oom Pieter, soos daar graag na die oud-leier van die Vryheidsfront Plus verwys word, behoort die volgende president te word, weens sy beslissende optrede as minister van korrektiewe dienste. Sedert Groenewald as minister van korrektiewe dienste aangewys is, word daar fliks aardappels geplant en brode gebak in die tronk. En in die proses word miljoene rande in belastinggeld bespaar. Groenewald se departement het reeds 13 bakkerye op die been gebring, waar gevangenes deesdae eie brood teen R8 stuk bak, aansienlik minder as die R23.50 per brood, soos dit in die verlede by verskaffers aangekoop is. Groenewald beywer hom om die land se tronke selfonderhoudend te maak en paroolgangers met praktiese vaardighede te bemagtig. En talle Suid-Afrikaners glo sy vriendelik, tog baie ferm benadering kan die res van die land ook weer op koers kry. Maar, wat sê die kenners van Groenewald se gewildheid? Gaan hy die volgende president word? Die politieke ontleder Prof Lesiba Tefu meen dit gaan nie so seer oor Groenewald nie. Hy sê kiesers smag bloot na bekwame leiers, ongeag hul velkleur of politieke party.
I don't think necessarily it says Groenewald must be the president. It's a message, especially to the black political elite, that if you don't wake up, one day you will have a man as competent and capable as Groenewald leading this country. And if you don't listen, one day you'll say once more, where did it go wrong? Like it happened in 2024. All they are saying, there are people far much better than you, who are doing far much better than you in terms of performance in government, finding their departments. It is no longer enough. And listen to that. It is no longer enough to invoke struggle credentials or blackness or victimhood. It is the black people, by the way, in the majority who are saying that. It's not necessarily Groenewald, but they say we are projecting him as someone who's successful, worthy of emulation. I don't care if it's Van der Waals. I don't care if it's de Kock, or if it's Lamola, or if Tefo, or Kekana, but as long as the man or the woman can deliver.
Ons wil natuurlik by Dr. Pieter self hoor wat hy hiervan dink. Die veteraan politikus en altyd diplomatiese leier wou hom egter allermins by so 'n debat laat intrek, want, sê Groenewald, hy is eenvoudig besig om sy werk te doen. Wie sal jy as die volgende president wil sien?